Welcome. In front of me is a ALCATEL 1T10 Smart, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System, select Advanced, and then Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Now this will bring up a couple bullet points right here, letting you know that it will get rid of everything that is listed right here. Now the three things that I would consider to actually have some kind of importance would be things like music, photos, and user data. This is typically data that you will be keeping locally on the device, so if you do so, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise this data will be removed and this cannot be undone. Now the three options above that, like the Google account, system and app data and downloaded apps, those don't really matter because you can regain those without much of a problem by just primarily downloading apps and re-signing in to your Google account. So like I said, don't need to worry about that one. Anyway, I'm going to select Erase All Data, I'm going to confirm it by selecting it once more, and this will now begin factory resetting my device. And this process will take probably up to 5 minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, I will be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.